all, and welcome back to the channel. What is on the menu for today? I'm gonna be cooking some brown stew chicken. You know, regular, but you know, sweet. Yeah, with some nice green banana and a piece of yam. So I have all my ingredients here. I have my chicken that I'm gonna be cutting up, cleaning and cutting up. All my lovely ingredients. Yes, skeleton thyme, ginger, garlic, onion. Wow, look at this scotch bonnet. I can't even tell you. Sweet pepper, carrot, yes. This is pimento seeds. This is black pepper. We have to have a little salt. I'm gonna use a little browning. Yeah, nothing too much. Right, yeah. So, cut up my chicken. Brown stew, so I'm not gonna cut them small. You know, when you're stewing, you cut them a little smaller. But when you're brown stewing now, you cut them. Cut out the leg, separate and cut the thigh and stuff. Yeah. And you know, I keep on my skin. The chicken skin because I don't want chicken to dry out. Right? That's the way how I cook my brown stew chicken. And when I have in my meal now, just skin it off, take out the skin. Alright? Yeah. Local chicken, listen, I see it, you know. Sometimes you have to support the local people. Tell you the truth, sometimes you support some local people. One of them. And say you can't support me, you can buy something from me. Because you know through me at the business too, I always want to support my local people. Then I look at things I can buy from them and buy it. You know? And the local ones are much nicer than the imported chicken parts and stuff. Yeah, so it's a local chicken. Never get the skin pan at the breast yet. It always come on apart. One thing with the local chicken, them first when I buy them more time, they not clean them up so good. So you have to spend the time and clean it. Alright? And soak it in the vinegar. No, if you eat the food, you know, you want to. Oh my God, you don't want to be having feathers in your plate, right? So I'm gonna pour some vinegar on it and wash it down properly, kind of soak it with the vinegar. Yeah. Vegetables and my seasoning now. Wash my chicken nice. Yeah. Make sure to wash everything properly. Alright. So everything is nicely washed. My onion. Sweet pepper, well seasoned. It's my ginger. Garlic. Salt to taste. Put up my carrot and everything right now. Yeah, man. I'll take them off back. And everything was already washed here, right? So yeah, so you know, I'm gonna leave my tomato, right? Just pepper in, but I'm not gonna put the peppers yet. I'm just gonna give it a rub now. I don't use too much browning now, just a little bit. Normally I would have my light soy sauce, you know, no, the dark one for the meat, that has a more flavor, but it finished, so just use the brown. Brown just give color and have it brown and flavor in it. But, yeah. Same time, the amount of seasoning and I want to hold marination. If there's a word, don't want a lot of marinating, you know? So yeah. We need some oil, some cooking oil. Nothing too much. Brown our chicken, get off some of the seeds, as much seeds as possible. dumpling and banana. I'm gonna use some cornmeal. We have salt in the pot, so I'm not gonna use any salt in my flour, right? Sweet mouth food, this is not like sweet mouth food. Brown stewed chicken and dumpling with banana. I think I'm going to use a piece of yam. Yeah, 2 slices of yam. Like when my hands less messy, you know, maybe the most part with the spoon or with the spatula, and then now just get it together with my hands not so messy. See what I'm talking about? Check on our chicken. It's our chicken, you know? Yes, sir. We're gonna have it together. Our chicken. Okay. Yes, so we're gonna peel. Peel our bananas. Yeah, sorry. Our mouth always a feeling of it. Yeah. Guys, I must say happy Friday. Happy Friday to you all. I hope you're having a blessed and a wonderful weekend. Wishing you all Okay. Wash the lemon and scratch more times. I'm gonna wash them. My bananas. One thing time. Dumpling. Saturday. I'll start cooking our chicken. Nothing so much. Don't pepper too much. Jamaican style, we love a little ketchup, nothing too much. Right? We need a little vinegar. And then now, I'm going to stir up and taste in the next minute. Taste our pot. So we'll turn off the stove now. Alright. The consistency we need. Alright, we'll go down some more. Next minute still, you know? And then we'll turn off. We're gonna share a plate. So when you see me, guys, we're gonna see a nice plate. Guys, remember to taste your pot, you know? Taste your pot. Alright. Remember to taste it. Okay? Nice. Wow. Just looking at this chicken, don't it? Look at it. Let's take a moment and get some sauce. Wow, just wow, guys. I can't even wait, guys. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. Thank you for always clicking on the video. Give me a thumbs up. Turn on the post notification bell so we won't miss out on all these lovely, simple and delicious meals when I prepare them. See you all in the next video and bye.